Hey guys, welcome back to Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to send Ctrl Alt Delete TeamViewer. So guys, it is a very easy way to do. First things first is of course go ahead and go to the remote support over here and just simply go ahead and ask for the ID of your partner, and you could just simply go ahead and select connect over here in order for you to proceed with this process, and just simply provide the password that they have, and you can just simply ask for your partner that you are having a team viewer with, and select log on once you have done that, and automatically it will start a remote session. And then from here guys, as you can see, we are now on the desktop of our partner. And to send an Alt Control Delete, you would just simply go ahead and go for these icons at the top, and you should be able to see here guys, Send Ctrl Alt Delete. So pretty much when you select this icon over here, automatically it will go out, and as you can see, you should be able to see the typical options when you selected onto your keyboard Ctrl Alt Delete. Like you can lock it, switch user, you can sign out, change a password, and even go for the task manager. And pretty much that's all you could have to do, is you could just simply click on this icon in order for you to proceed and just simply do your thing. And pretty much that's it. You could also have the password over here on the internet, accessibility, and the power option down below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.